Hello my dear kids, good morning to all. Welcome to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Smita Miss. How are you children? Hope everyone is fine and safe. Right children? So, in our last class, what did we do children? നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ചെയ്തത്? We wrote sentences about elephant. Right children? Are you able to read and write it? എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല എല്ലാവർക്കും? Yes. So, how many sentences did we write children? We learned to write 3 sentences, right? So, shall we repeat once more? What was the first sentence we wrote? We wrote elephant is the biggest land animal, right? And what is the second sentence? It has 2 small eyes and 2 big ears, right? And what was the next sentence? It has a long trunk. Right children? See here. This is how we wrote about elephant. See, first we wrote the topic, it is elephant, and we wrote 3 sentences. Next, what you should do? You should write in next line. See here, you should write number 4 and start writing from here. Okay? Did you get it? Now look here children. What is the next sentence we should write? And then the next sentence? It has 2 tusks, right? So, what you should do? You should write number 4. Okay? What you should do? You should write number 4. And you should write the next sentence. What is the next sentence? It. It, one finger gap, and write has. It has, one finger gap, and write 2. Again one finger gap and write tusk. And put a full stop. Okay, we finished the sentence and you should put full stop. So, what did we write? It has 2 tusks. You should say and write. When you are writing, you should say each word and write. Okay? It has 2 tusks. Right? Now, after 4, what is the next? It is number 5. So, what is the next sentence we should write? And then the next sentence? It has 4 legs like pillars. Right? What is the next sentence? It has 4 legs like pillars. So, next line you should begin. You should write it. It, one finger gap, has, again one finger gap, and write 4. 4, one finger gap, legs, one finger gap, like, you don't have place here, should come to next line and write pillars. Pillars and put a full stop. Okay, what did we write? It has 4 legs like pillars. Right children? Are you able to write? Next, after 5, what you should write? Come down and write number 6. Don't write here. You should come down. ആ sentence കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് next sentence എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഏതാ? New line start ചെയ്യണം. Okay? Write number 6. And what you should write? Next sentence എന്താണ്? Yes, it has a tail. എന്താണ് last sentence? It has a tail. Right children? So, again start from here. It. It, one finger gap, and write has, one finger gap, a tail. I-L and put a full stop. We have finished the sentence. Right children? So see here, what did we write? It has a tail. Did you finish writing? Now today what did we write? എന്തൊക്കെ സെൻറ്റൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതിയത്? Look here, fourth sentence. It has two tusks. Next sentence is, it has four legs like pillars. Right children? And the next sentence and the last sentence is, it has a tail. Did you get it? മനസ്സിലായോ എല്ലാവർക്കും? Now look here. What you should do? You should write date on the top and elephant. Right? Now see here, what did we write? Elephant is the biggest land animal. Right? What is the next sentence? It has two small eyes and two big ears. Right children? What is the next? It has a long trunk. What is the next sentence? It has two tusks. And now what is the next? It has four legs like pillars. If you don't have space here, what you should do? You can turn next page and write it. Okay? And the last sentence, look here, the sixth sentence, it has a tail. Okay? This is how you should write all the sentences about elephant. Not only writing, you should also know to say and also learn the spelling of elephant. Okay? So will you do it children? So shall we repeat once more all the sentences? Are you ready? You should repeat after me. Okay? So shall we start? Okay. What was the first sentence? Elephant is the biggest land animal. Second sentence, it has two small eyes and two big ears. And the third sentence is, it has a long trunk. Fourth sentence is, it has two tusks. And the fifth sentence is, it has four legs like pillars. And the sixth sentence, it has a tail. Did you get it children? Very good. So children, we learned about elephant today. We also learned to say and also to write. So practice well. See you in next class. Bye bye.